Meaning of haste.
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 Haste. Haste refers to the act of being in a hurry or rushing through something without taking the time to be deliberate or careful. It is often associated with a sense of urgency or impatience. People who act with haste may make mistakes or overlook important details, leading to negative consequences. In contrast, those who take their time and approach tasks methodically tend to achieve better results. Therefore, it is important to strike a balance between efficiency and thoroughness to avoid the pitfalls of haste and achieve optimal outcomes.